Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can record a cinematic video on the iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro or the Mini or the Max. So with cinematic mode on your device, your camera can record videos with a shallow depth of field and add beautiful focus transitions so that your video look like a cinema type of videos. So first, on your phone, you want to tap on the camera app, and in here at the bottom you want to choose cinematic. So select cinematics on the device and then point and tap on the record button. Now this will work best if you got people or animals in the subject. So if we've got people, animals or moving objects in the videos, then your phone will be able to automatically detect, and then it will basically focus on that subject. So there is a square right here. If you look carefully in my camera preview windows, there is a square. This will allow your phone to basically automatically set focus on that moving subject. And because at the moment there is no one in the pictures, and that's why there is no subject to focus on. But yeah, that's how you can activate cinematic mode and how you can record your videos in cinematic mode. Now there is also a F button here at the top corner. So if you tap on this F button, it will allow you to change the depth of field. The lowest you can go down is 2 and the highest is 16. So the lower the numbers, that means the more blurry it will be on the background. So the depth of field is basically allowing your foreground subjects to stay in focus while blurring out the background. And so the lower the number, so we can go as low as 2, and the lower the number, the more blurry it will be on the background. And that's it. That's how you can shoot cinematic video on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.